Hello, good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss the chemistry seconds p block elements, that is inorganic chemistry part, in the view of the MCQ questions. We are going to study the how the questions will be asked on the p block elements in the MCQ format to understand the way of study. And one thing I want to say you that in case of the MCQ question format, the reading is most important, and along with the notes I prefer you to use the notebook also, because it will help you to increase the knowledge as well as the reading habits, as well as it will be more and more beneficial to understand the MCQ question format. So in case of the p block element, question will be asked that in the boron family, what is the atomic number of the thulium? Options will be given there: 81, 82, 83, 84. So you have to choose one of them. As well as important question will be asked from the family that what is the valence electronic configuration of the thulium, because it is the depends upon the orbitals. So it may give the that dash is the valence shell electronic configuration of the thulium. Option will be given there, that is the 3D 4s2 5p1 or 5s2 5p1 or 6s2 6p1. Okay, so you have to understand that what will be the outermost electronic configurations. If you know that in the case of the boron family, there are the always three electrons in the valence shell, that is 6s, that is s2 electron, ns2 electron and np1 electrons. That is ns2 electron and np1 electrons. So this is the most important part you have to understand, because this will give the hint to understand which is the MCQ questions. Then about the atomic radius, question will be asked in the case of the family of the boron. If you go from boron to thulium, atomic radius increases, atomic radius decreases, atomic radius does not change, atomic radius change with decrease in the atomic numbers. So if you know the basic criteria how to find out the radius, then you can easily find out, because the atomic radius increases from top to bottom but does not regularly. Boron has the smallest atomic radius. From aluminum to thulium, atomic radius increases marginally because the interforcing and the d and f electron in the higher membrane, it does not shield the nuclear charge effectively in the f and p orbitals. So if you know the basic criteria about that, so you can easily answer that questions. Electropositive and metallic character also affected. Question will be asked on the electropositive and electrometallic characters. One sentence is here: from the boron to aluminum, metallic character increases, but from aluminum to thulium decreases. So question will be asked Explain the trend of the metallic character in case of boron families.